We'll guide you through how to recover deleted files in Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. You'll need to log into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand side and click on the Deleted Files option. This is where Dropbox keeps any files you've deleted in the last 30 days. If you recently deleted a file and need it back, you can find it here. Just scroll through the list to locate the file or folder you want to recover. It might help to use the search bar at the top if you remember the file name. Once you find your file, click the checkbox next to it. Then go to the top of the page and click on the Restore button. Dropbox will start recovering the file or folder to its original location. In case you don't see the Restore option, it might mean the file is permanently deleted or past the 30-day recovery window. If you have a paid Dropbox plan, you might have a longer recovery period, so check your plan details. Additionally, if you're collaborating on shared folders, files deleted by others can also be recovered by following the same steps. Remember that restoring a large number of files might take a little time, so be patient. And there you go. Your deleted files should be back where they belong. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.